how do we make this thing look new and fresh on the track.
I think we're gonna put a GASGAS here.
Yep.
And the Red Bull might has to go up a little higher.
Okay. My chicken scratch, but it works. I have a lot of fun with these projects.
Yeah.
To me, this is one of the funnest things in the company. And then to get to see it in front of 60,000 people in Anaheim is just amazing.
Over here at Trolley Designs, we take our product testing very seriously.
I'll be waiting.
This is the fun video. All other videos suck.
I don't know where I'll end up tonight. Perfect pictures fade to black. You turn out the light.
Chris, do you feel like a vet yet?
Dude, I'm kind of a vet.
It's a sexy bike, all right? Let's look at that thing. And I'll be honest, it rides even better than it looks. Maki, Troy, they did a great job designing it. And for people to be able to go into the shop and buy my bike with my number on it is quite surreal. I remember going to a shop with my dad and buying my first bike, and now someone can go into the shop and buy a factory edition Barcia dirt bike. That's insane.
Then I want you to lift the front wheel up and we'll all be like hanging on to my and say, yeah, we're just testing. You can do this.
Oh, we're gonna break it.
That's cool.